Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix a very nasty error that you will probably face when you install the WordPress for the first time on your main stack, which means the WordPress is running on nginx plus mysql plus PHP, HTTPD, and probably on top of the Linux distribution. And the error is that when you install the WordPress for the first time, and you try to log in into your WordPress dashboard, you won't see a messed up styles as you see on the screen right now. And I know that in the previous video, I said that I fixed it by reloading the nginx configuration, but that's not all I did. There was one more step that I needed to do that I didn't share with you, and this is why I made this video, because I saw that so many of you had the same troubles, and it's quite frustrating that you try to get your WordPress blog or WooCommerce store up and running, and then you face this little confusing bug. So in this video, I will tell you what is the cause of this bug and how to fix it. So definitely be sure to watch it till the end, and let's get into it. So first, why is this happening? And the core issue here is that WordPress has so many CSS styles in many different files distributed among multiple folders. And to load all these styles, the WordPress has to somehow compile all these styles into one big file that includes all styles. And this link to this big file is generated automatically with PHP. That's the first thing you need to know. The second thing is that most probably when you installed your WordPress, you didn't turn your HTTPS protocol on, which means that all the files that are transferred from your web server to your web browser is not transferred using the secure HTTPS protocol, which may cause that some browsers which care about your security and protection, they will intentionally block all the calls that does not use HTTPS protocol. So in combination of the dynamically generated URL links and the security issues on the browser side, if we combine those two together, the result is that the browser will try to call this long ass URL that should include all the styles, but instead the web server will return bad gateway error, which means that your web server essentially blocked the call and didn't return the requested file. And the solution is really simple here. All you need to do for your development WordPress installation is to go into the wp-config PHP file, and in this file you need to add those 4 rows, which I will uncomment right now, and you need to add it above the required ones appspath wp settings.php configuration. So I repeat again, you need to add it above these settings. And once you include force SSL login, force SSL admin, concatenate scripts, and script debug, then all the styles will automatically appear as intended. So now I save this configuration file, and when I reload the web page, all the styles magically appear. So there you have it. The fix was really simple, just to add the proper configuration settings. That means turning off the SSL checks that care about the HTTPS protocol and put it on the right position above the appspath settings. So I hope that this video was helpful. If yes, then definitely give it a like, subscribe if you haven't done already, and see you in the next video.